Hi friends! Today we're going to draw and paint a glittering diamond. That's right, start by drawing the outline with a thick black pen. Just copy what we do step by step. This diamond is actually going to be made up of lots and lots of triangles, different sized triangles, different lengths, different widths, but all triangles, you see. Now we can paint each one in a different colour. So blue goes at the top, then pink. You can choose your favourite colours. Now each segment can be a different colour, or you could alternate or do larger sections in the same colour. It's all up to you. We like to do this gorgeous rainbow effect because when we hold up our diamond in the sunlight, we're going to get a prism of light where the sunshine shows all the rainbow colours. So yellow next goes in between the pink. That's right, just small strokes up and down, up and down. There. Side to side. Gorgeous. What colour should we use for our larger triangles? Green! What a good idea. Side to side, carefully painting in between the black lines. Smaller strokes as you get to the bottom. Now we're going to go for red. Wow, this is already looking fantastic. Beautiful. 2 more to go. Purple next. And what colour should we paint our final segment? Blue. That's right. Let's end how we started. You're doing so well. Nearly there. And done! Brilliant! You've done it! A gorgeous rainbow glittery diamond! Well done!